Vadim and I decided to visualize some German statuses. Usually, this is a screen that admins have to work with. There's a command line tool German top, which shows how many workers we have available worker for each job, how many jobs waiting, and how many jobs running. Admins have to run German top directly on Q server, and no one else besides admins can really use it because it's not very convenient, and only admins have access to Q server. So we decided to visualize this and allow everyone see how many jobs waiting, and for example, tell clients that we have too many messages in queue and we are processing them, and we can estimate waiting time for jobs. So Vadim wrote scripts to get to get numbers from German, especially we are getting statuses for easy texting workers. We are getting jobs waiting for the available worker. Then Vadim's script writes everything to files on my folder, to few files: easy incoming express, easy incoming standard, outgoing express, outgoing standard, and then I'm using this data to generate graphics. Here are some graphics. It will show it shows current status of all jobs waiting, incoming express, outgoing express, incoming standard, outgoing standard, and we also added something besides German. This is express messages queue from EasyText, and this number shows how many messages we have in queue on MTAs right now.
And I think this tool can help us detect the problem, because when we have a lot of messages waiting in queue, then we have a problem.
Okay, so we can add this graphics to any German workers if we need. We can also write small scripts to get data from any other sources like database. It's what we did for express messages queue. We have tool to visualize. It's I used Google Visualization Library to do this. Right, I have script to send data from server to or JavaScript to this window, and we can add as many monitors as we want. Hopefully, this will be helpful for admins, developers, and also for
success managers.
Yeah, for success.
To see what's going on with the system.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.